Welcome back everyone. So in this video, we'll be making another summer special, which is a Kitkat milkshake. I'm sure you would like this recipe. Let's get into the video. The main ingredients are 1 glass milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 bars Kitkat, 1 cup vanilla ice cream, 1 teaspoon coffee or cocoa powder, some chocolate or dark chocolate pieces, and some ice cubes. And the ingredients needed for garnishing are 2 bars Kitkat, 1 scoop vanilla ice cream, some coffee or cocoa powder, and chocolate syrup. Now it's time for the method. Put some ice cubes in a mixer. Then add the sugar. Now put the coffee or cocoa powder. After that, add the 4 bars of Kitkat and a few chocolate or dark chocolate pieces. Then add the vanilla ice cream. And finally add the milk and blend the mixture well. After blending, pour the milkshake into a tall glass. Top it with a scoop of ice cream and 2 bars of Kitkat. Finally, decorate it with coffee or cocoa powder and chocolate syrup and serve it immediately. Thank you so much for watching. How was my video? Let me know in the comments. Have you made any other flavor of milkshake like fruit flavored milkshake or any other flavor? Let me know in the comments. So, see you all in my next video. Till then, bye everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share all my videos. And also press the bell icon for latest updates.